really be brought to such an extent that I would enjoy you in a sufficient way.
Amen.
Nang sa gayon, I would really be delivered. In reality, I would not be bound by so many things.
Amen.
Amen. Kasi yung Jubilee, sabi niya dito, it's having no worry or anxiety. Minsan marami nga tayong worry, marami tayong anxiety, di ba? Pero pwede pala tayo makapamuhay ng isang life that is beyond the realm of worrying and anxiety, di ba? Sabi niya, no concern or care, no lack or shortage, no sickness or calamity, and no problems whatsoever. Diba? Hindi naman ibig sabihin, wala na yung problema natin. Pero in a sense, yung living natin, we live in a realm that is beyond all of these things.
Amen.
Kahit na nandyan yung mga problema, pero you are not bothered. Pwede palang ganun yung pamumuhay natin. Marami tayong mga bagay na pwedeng i-inject sa atin si Satan, would cause us to worry. Pero we can actually live a life that we don't worry about so many things.
Amen.
Kaya nga na-appreciate ko si Brother Lee, kahit na marami siyang problema. Pero sabi niya, he can, kaya niya matulog ng mahimbing kasi he is really enjoying this Jubilee.
Amen.
Kaya mga kapatid, if we are really brought into such an enjoyment, but parang lahat ng mga bagay, in a sense, we would not be worrying about so many things anymore because we are in the Jubilee.
Amen.
At sabi, na-appreciate ko rin dito yung term. Sabi niya, having all benefits. Sa atin kasi dito in the human realm, lagi tayo nag-expect ng mga benefits. Siguro yung iba, matagal, yung mga ilang taon pa bago makuha yung mga benefits. Pero salamat in the spiritual realm, we already have all benefits.
Amen.
Hindi na natin kinakailangan umabot ng stage ng pagiging senior para ma-enjoy natin yung mga benefits. In the spiritual realm, we have all
50%
benefits
discount.
already. Amen. Kaya kinakailangan lang makita natin yung mga bagay na ito and we would really enter into this reality.
Amen.
We would really enjoy Christ as the real Jubilee.